Remember, this place should be at the back. This place should be at the back. You see it? You don't bring this front here, so it should be at the back, so that you can get the distance of these screws. If this place is at the front here, you can't fix this because these settings won't be there. So this place must be at the back. It must be at the back. This place must be at the back. It must be at the back. Don't forget. Now we take this. You can see the openings. It's 3 there. 1, 2, 3. You just put it. Take one of the longest screw. You just put it there and screw it. You take another one. Put it there. You take another one. Now, putting this also, you should make sure that this is like this. This place should be in the front. This place is the front of the chair. Bring the camera closer. You see this particular sign of arrow here? That shows that this is the front. So it should be in the front like this. Because if you turn it, it will not match. So you have to be in the front. It have to be in the. This place should be in the front. So you can get these holes. You can get this. You use the smallest screw. You use this screw. This smallest screw. Use it to hold it. Use the other one. You use the other one. Use this last one. Once you are done tightening it, you just put this, you put it inside. That's all. That's all. You just put it inside. And sit down. Once you So if you want to bring it down, you just do the other back down. If you want to take off, if you want to bring it down, you must sit on it. So that's that.